welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, today I wanted to show you a couple of my salty snacks that I have been enjoying while doing Weight Watchers. As we all know, we're going to want something salty, okay? Let me go back a little bit for those of you who do not know. I'm Kimmi, and welcome to my channel. And I talk about all things related to my health journey. I am not trying to lose weight, just basically based on the scale, but I'm really looking for a healthier lifestyle. And today, I wanted to share with you some of my salty snacks that I like, because I honestly do like something salty. I'm a potato chip person. I love me some hot chips. And you can't just eat one like the bag says, but I have found a couple alternatives since I've started doing WW that I wanted to share with you. I am not a paid spokesperson for them. It's just what method I've decided to use for my weight loss journey, my healthy journey, whatever you want to call it, okay? So my first one I have is the baked Cheetos. I love these. So I love regular Cheetos anyway, but these are baked and you can have 34 of them, 34 for only 4 points. So what I typically do is I have my 34 or whatever. It may be a few more than that sometimes because it's only 4 points and I might offset it with something else. But I typically will have this and a piece of fruit with it. I tend to eat my orange at the same time I have my salty, so something sweet, something salty, something healthy, something semi, because it is baked instead of the regular ones. But again, this is something that I have grown to love. If you have not tried the baked Cheetos, I usually find them at Walmart and Publix. If you have, I know everybody got a Walmart near them, but if you don't have, if you can't find them at one, try the other. And they run about maybe $4 per bag, but for me, it's an alternative to eating a big bag of chips or regular chips. And again, you can have like 34, which is a nice, almost handful and a half of them. So I usually pour them in something. I don't usually sit and count. I'm not a counter. I'm not going to even act like I am. But I kind of eyeball it. And you know when you got a whole lot. Because I try to keep whatever I do simple. So I'm not getting ready to sit. Now, some people do and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not my style, but I do try to eyeball it and we'll see what happens. I've been eating these for a minute. They do come in a hot flavored also. I try to avoid the hot flavor for my stomach issues that I have. I talked about that before and I'm just trying to make better choices. So I do like the hot. My favorite though actually is the cheddar brand. So if you like hot, check them out because they do come in baked also. There are plenty of baked chips out there, but I don't tend to like the baked chips because they taste like cardboard to me. I don't. So the baked Cheetos is my favorite. Now my other little find that I found at Aldi's that I actually like is the pretzel slims. And this one is the garlic parmesan. Now you can have 21 of these for 3 points. And that's pretty good for having something salty. They're very tasty. I love the crunch. Because a lot of times when we want something salty, we're looking for that crunch. So I love the taste, the flavor, like I said, the crunch of it all. And 21 of them for 3 points is not bad at all. So again, with these, I typically have something sweet. I'll have a plum, I'll have my grapes, I'll have a banana. So this is my salty and something sweet. I don't know, what's your favorite mixture out there? Do you like sweet and salty? Do you prefer just all salty brand, salty flavor? What is your preference out there? Again, these are my 2 faves. This one I got at Aldi's. The pretzels, they come in different flavors, but I bought the garlic parm. And then the baked Cheetos. So what's your favorite? I'm just curious. So let me know if you have a 3-point, 4-point chip or something salty that you enjoy, because I'll try it. Again, I'm on my healthy journey and I'm looking for alternatives. So the calories on these is actually 110, but you don't have to count that. And the 140 on the Cheetos. So with Weight Watchers, you don't have to count calories and all that. You're just looking for the point value of whatever it is that you're eating. So far my journey is going great. I'm feeling better. I actually can see some differences. My actual weigh-in is coming up on Thursday, so I definitely will keep you posted. I'm going to tell you if it's good, bad, or ugly. So stay tuned. But anyway, I just want to share a couple of my my little treats that I found that I actually like. And I'll be doing more of these because I actually talked to a friend of mine that's been doing WW for about 4 years. And she had never heard of the baked Cheeto. And she loved them. She actually loved them. So she was like, oh, I like those. So she tasted it. So if you have a buddy out there too, it'd be nice to have a little community. That's why I like you guys to share with me in the comments things if you've been doing Weight Watchers for a while that have worked for you. You know, I love that. And you guys are giving me some amazing tips. I'm so appreciative. The support has been overwhelming. And please share this video with somebody. Like, subscribe, and share. That lets YouTube know that, hey, Kimmi got something to talk about. So if you don't, especially being a newer channel, I kind of might get lost in the sauce. But if it's something that you're actually enjoying, subscribe, share, and everything. I really appreciate it. Well, until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. I'll see you soon. Wishing you much success on your journey. Bye.